So where do Apple and the rest of the tech stocks in the Nasdaq go in 2020? Chris Retzler joins us now. He's portfolio manager with the Needham Growth Fund. Chris, good to see you. Thanks for joining us tonight.
Hey, Bill, how are you?
Far and away, most money managers we talk to on this program, when I ask your favorite sector, it's usually technology. What about for 2020? Does the momentum continue, do you think?
Well, we are planning for a bit of a correction here in the new year. We think a lot of gains where people don't want to take those taxable gains in 2019 might be pushing that out to 2020. However, longer term, we are still very bullish on technology. What we like about it is it's defendable on a global basis where they can defend that technology. It's much of what we're fighting for against China, IP protection.
Right.
So we remain bullish on technology going into the next year, but we think that there could be some pullback in the early months.
As Frank Holland mentioned, the chip stocks, I mean, they had suffered for a few years, but suddenly a resurgence this year. Is that one of the groups you're looking at for a potential pullback next year?
It would be an area, but semiconductors are great leading indicators for economic acceleration. So what we've been seeing since September is a real nice run in semi-cap equipment, semiconductors, which gives us some confidence that next year is still going to be a good year economically and probably an acceleration in global economic activity.
5G. That's to be a big, I would think, catalyst for next year of growth for a lot of companies. That's the next generation wireless technology. Do you agree with that, or are we getting our hopes too high at this point?
I agree with that. However, I would break it down between two pieces. One is the actual infrastructure to make those devices, which also need 5G. So as you think about mobile phones, we would expect to see 5G built into those devices. However, the infrastructure to make them work, we think, could take a little bit more time, and that's probably over multiple years. So 5G really has a long tail to its investment, and it's much of what we're seeing in the semiconductor land right now, and we think that will continue for multiple years.
Chris Retzler with the Needham Growth Fund. Chris, again, thanks for joining us tonight.
Thank you.